Yes, sir. All right.
Da sollte vielleicht ein bisschen zusammenflicken.
I see you. You don't see me.
Und gleich mit den da machen. So, man, geht wieder nach hinten los.
Let's get a little bit closer. They won't spot me there. Let's get
Pressure.
a little bit closer.
We're under attack!
They won't spot me there.
What's the objective, Commander?
Snapper at your service. You'll be surprised. They won't spot me there.
Charge! They're attacking us!
Freunde, Speerfeuer.
What's
Nein,
next?
hinten.
I see you. You don't see me.
Put him dead!
I'm looking for a new hideout.
We're under attack! Vehicle reporting. We're on the move.
Pass auf. Der Bison. Der ballert dauernd.
Let's get a little bit closer. I can
Das
watch
tut
him from
natürlich,
over
den sechs
there.
natürlich wieder nicht.
They won't spot me there. They won't spot me there. I can watch him from over there.
Der ist da hinten ist irgendwo.
And you thought you were
Oh
safe.
Gott, die hab ich Gott vergessen.
I'm looking for a new hideout. They won't spot me
Und der
there.
bleibt.
I can watch him from over there. Let's get a little bit closer.
Under fire!
Der bescheuert.
Let's get a little bit closer.
Ja, praktisch. Ja,
They're
praktisch zu.
attacking us! That's the
Wieder
go!
Depp.
Go!
Mein Gott, schon.
Put him dead! The Indians
Diese blöde Sau.
They're attacking us! What's next? Put him dead! And go! Who is it over there? On my way! They're attacking us! The engines gotta move! We're under attack! That's our move! Yes, sir!
Ja, Mann. Mein Panzer brennt, gell? Und fröhlich.
On our way! Under fire!
Der Bison, wo ist er?
Start the engine. Who is it over there? Fire at will. Under fire. Fire.
Ja gut, der Bison war es nicht, aber wo ist er?
Let's start.
Freunde, Rückzug.
They hit me.
I can watch him from over there. You'll be surprised. And you thought you were safe.
Oh, da. Wie schaut du aus?
Yep.
Da auf links, gell?
And you thought you were safe. I'm looking for a new hideout.
Aber ich darf mir sagen, das war ganz effektiv. Einiges haben wir beseitigen können.
Vehicle reporting. Vehicle reporting. All right.
Ja, Mann, lade mich noch. So, man, geht da nichts mehr.
Understood. What's next?
Alle fit? Schon, oder?
Let's get
Dann bringe ich gleich mal meinen Sniper in Stellung.
They won't spot me there. Let's get a little bit
Warte mal.
closer.
Mein letzter Aufklärer. Schicken rundum.
I see you. You don't see me.
Okay.
Der Panzerlein, komm mit.
What's the order? That's a go. Orders?
Oh, you found me.
Ja, dieser Blödmann. Da ist er noch schön.
Sniper at your service.
Wie schaut denn aus? Motiviert sie es.
Yes, Commander. Waiting for orders.
Oh, you found me.
Fire at will!
Oh, you found me.
Scheiße.
They
Wo ist
won't
Sniper?
spot me there.
Was war
Sniper at
Sniper?
your service.
What's the objective, Commander?
I see you. You don't see me. You're on my list.
Einen Sniper habe ich verloren.
Hold
Warte
on,
mal.
just a little longer.
Das kann ich mir nicht verzeihen, gell? Der ist mir heilig.
I can watch him from over there. Oh, you found me. Let's get a little bit closer.
Advancing to waypoint.
Pass auf. Wo waren denn die? Da drin?
Under fire! Waiting for orders. Order confirmed.
Feuer! Ich schätze mal, die auch gesessen. Aber auch genau.
Oh, you found me.
Er ist zumindest der Nebelwerfer weg.
They won't spot me there.
Oh Gott, was hab ich gemacht? Scheiße.
What are your orders, Commander?
Yes, drin bleiben.
everything's
Nicht
okay.
aussteigen.
Yes, sir. Yes, Commander.
They won't spot me there.
Um Gottes Willen.
I see you. You don't.
Vorsicht, ein Tiger.
Oh, you found me.
Move it! Fire!
Oder so. Zumindest irgendwas groß.
Come and get some! Under fire! Down the front! God, they hit us hard! What's next? Advancing to waypoint. Someone's shooting at us! Destroy them all! God, they hit us hard! Roger.
I can watch him from over there.
So, Sniper, schaut denn aus?
I'm looking for a new
Jetzt
hideout.
schätze mal, es ist nicht mehr viel.
You'll be surprised.
Der Kiwi da, gell? Nein, Mann. Den brauche ich.
I'm looking for a new hideout. I'm looking for a new hideout. Surprise!
Jetzt hat der mir schon wieder einen Sniper erschossen. 3 habe ich noch. Ja gut, 3 sollten gelangen, oder? Für den Rest.
I can watch him from over there.
Ladies, ich komm noch mal. Achso, der Neuwut.
And you thought you were safe.
We need more ammo!
Was sagt er? Ammo?
What's the objective, Commander?
They won't spot me there. I'm looking for a new hideout. I can watch him from over there. And you thought you were safe.
Ja so, man reißt auch nicht ab.
Sniper at your service. I'm looking for a new hideout.
Scheiße.
They won't spot me there.
Schon wieder Sniper verloren. Und ich sei, hä?
They won't spot me there. I can watch him from over there. You'll be surprised. I'm looking for a new hideout.
We're short of ammo!
Mann. Der beschwert sich immer bei mir.
Roger.
I see you. You don't see me. I'm looking for a new hideout. You're on my list. I can watch him from over there. Let's get a little bit closer.
Ja, pass auf. Die Flak da hinten.
Target
muss weg.
adjusted!
Auf Dauer ein bisschen lästig.
Get help!
Okay, Leute.
Move on,
Ist genug befut.
I see you. You don't see
Dann
me.
mach ich mit den da. Und schau mich nach.
Let's get a little bit closer.
War noch nicht alles.
I can watch him from over there. You're on my list. Let's get a little bit closer. They won't spot me there.
Wie schaut der unten aus? War da auch noch was? Nicht, oder?
I can watch him from over there.
Ja gut. Da hat die Map zu Ende. Da kann gar nichts mehr sein.
I can watch him from over there. Let's get a little bit closer.
Freunde, in Deckung.
I see you. You don't see me.
Mann, ja, ein Problem. Da unten her.
Go! We need more ammo! Okay,
I see you. You don't see
Sehr
me.
fix.
Let's
Wer
get
ist er?
a little bit closer.
move it! Fire!
Sniper at your service.
Da sind die Töter schon. Auch halber tot.
I see you. You don't see me. I can watch him from over there. They won't spot me there.
Okay, Buben, was sagt denn jetzt? Haben sie jetzt nur?
I can watch him from over there.
Zumindest habe ich schon den halben Wald verwüstet.
I'm looking for a new hideout. And you thought you were safe. I can watch him from over there.
Ja gut, das war's.